Today I will talk about adrenal gland. Normal structure. The adrenal glands lie at the upper pole of each kidney. Each gland weighs approximately 4 grams in the adult, but in children the adrenals are proportionately larger. On sectioning, the adrenal is composed of 2 distinct parts, an outer yellow-brown cortex and an inner gray medulla. Adrenal cortex. Microscopically and functionally, cortex and medulla are quite distinct. It is composed of 3 layers. 1. Zona glomerulosa. 2. Zona fasciculate. 3. Zona reticularis. 1. Zona glomerulosa is the outer layer and comprises about 10% of the cortex. It consists of cords or columns of polyhedral cells just under the capsule. This layer is responsible for the synthesis of mineralocorticoids, the most important of which is aldosterone, the salt and water regulating hormone. 2. Zona fasciculate is the middle layer and constitutes approximately 70% of the cortex. It is composed of columns of lipid-rich cells which are precursors of various steroid hormones manufactured in the adrenal cortex, such as glucocorticoids, for example cortisol, and sex steroids, for example testosterone. 3. Zona reticularis is the inner layer which makes up the remainder of the adrenal cortex. It consists of cords of more compact cells than those of zona fasciculata, but has similar functional characteristics of synthesis and secretion of glucocorticoids and androgens. The synthesis of glucocorticoids and adrenal androgens is under the control of ACT from hypothalamus anterior pituitary. In turn, ACT releases under the control of a hypothalamic releasing factor called corticotropin releasing factor. Release of aldosterone, on the other hand, is independent of ACT control and is largely regulated by the serum levels of potassium and renin-angiotensin mechanism.
Adrenal medulla
is a component of the dispersed neuroendocrine system derived from primitive neuroectoderm. The cells comprising this system are neuroendocrine cells, the major function of which is synthesis and secretion of catecholamines, epinephrine and norepinephrine. Various other peptides such as calcitonin, somatostatin and vasoactive intestinal polypeptide are also secreted by these cells. The most important diseases of the adrenal medulla are neoplasms, which include both neuronal neoplasms, including neuroblastomas and more mature ganglion cell tumors, and neoplasms composed of chromaffin cells, pheochromocytomas.